Hi everyone, my name is Shauna and I am the Marketing Manager for J&K Coaches. My job is to ensure that all of our social media channels and our website are always kept up to date with our latest news and information. As well as this, I also form part of the sales team, and today I'm going to talk you through what happens from your initial inquiry to your booking takes place. With every quotation, the more details that we have the better, as obviously this allows us to generate a more accurate price for you. So the details that we do require would be the date of your trip, where you're going from, where you're going to, how many passengers you've got, and if you can, times as well. Once we get all these details, we then generate a price. We then input everything into our coach manager system, and once we do this, we can then email over a document with a quotation reference number and all the details of your trip. It just means that you have it there in paper form, just so that you can check over everything and make sure that you're happy enough with it. Sometimes we know that it's not possible to email clients, so we can just give you a quick call back with the quotation reference number. So you've got your quotation document and now you're ready to book. All you need to do is either give us a call into the office, stating the quotation number, or if you want, you can email us. It doesn't really matter, and just say that you want to proceed with your booking. Then what we do is we bring your booking up on our coach manager system and we then convert it into a booking, and that's you. Your bus is booked to go. Once everything has been confirmed, it's then over to our allocations department. PS, stay tuned for some reviews from some very famous faces.